Hello everyone, welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we'll tell you about the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience, and we'll share with you the remote jobs as well. And before we move to that, let me tell you about the career guidance call that you can book now on the TopMate. So many of the folks out there are stuck in their career. They don't know what needs to be done. They don't get an idea. They need suggestions or they need any kind of guidance or they have any queries related to testing, feel free to book a call on the top mate with respect to the career guidance. If you're not getting calls, connect with us. If you're not getting the able to clear the interviews, feel free to connect with us. Apart from that, I'll share with you one referral job opportunity. So this is with respect to Deloitte company. So Deloitte company is hiring for multiple positions, and you can connect with Saurav on LinkedIn. So these are all the multiple job opportunities that you can see here that they are looking for. Okay, these are all the skill sets they are looking for: the senior consultants, the consultants, agentic AI, or application architect, Java, Python, Selenium with Java, Selenium with Python, performance testing, ETL testing, automation Selenium, consultant, automation Tosca. All these job opportunities are there in Deloitte company. So you can connect with Saurav on LinkedIn and you can approach him for the referral. So Deloitte is hiring for multiple positions. Apart from that, there are multiple other job opportunities. So there is a requirement for senior QA engineer, 7 to 10 years of experience. Tech stack required is Playwright, Cypress, API testing, CI/CD, Node.js, PostgreSQL, AWS. You can share your CV at this particular email address. Then PwC is hiring for the role of automation testing. The job title is test automation engineer. Location is Bangalore. Experience level is 4 to 8 years, and notice period should not be more than 45 days. What you will do is, so you'll be designing, developing, and executing robust automated test scripts using C Sharp, Python, or Java with Selenium Playwright. Then you'll be driving quality assurance for HR applications, ensuring reliability and seamless user experience. Strong expertise in Python or Java with practical knowledge of Selenium or Playwright. 4+ years of experience is required in test automation. So you can share the updated resume at this email address. It's a requirement for the PwC company, or you can apply at the given link here. So these are not the today's job opportunities because today is 26th of January, so it's a holiday across India. These are the job opportunities posted last Sunday, right? Like last day, yesterday itself, right? Saturday, Sunday, we are getting the job, so we have created a video on that, right? So we next requirement is with respect to the Apple company. They are hiring for quality engineer, and this is the link. I'll be putting all the links in the first comment of the video, so you can apply from there. Then Cognizant is hiring for multiple automation testing roles. They're hiring for automation test engineer 4 to 6 years, automation lead 7 to 10 years, Cypress testing, performance testing, and the location is Pan India. So if you're interested, you can share your updated resume to this email address. There's a referral email address for Cognizant company. Then there's an urgent requirement for QA engineer, manual testing with 3+ years of experience in manual and functional testing. So you should have strong understanding of SDLC, STLC, defect lifecycle, hands-on experience in web, API, functional testing, working knowledge of Python or Java is good, and you can apply at this particular link itself. So these are the job opportunities. Apart from this, there are multiple other jobs. So let me share those details as well with you. Right. So Excel Tech Company is hiring for freshers. So yesterday we had a live session on Sunday, and many of the subscribers were telling that we should post jobs for the freshers as well. So we have started in that direction. We'll be sharing the job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience, so that you can apply as an fresher or as an experience with respect to the positions. So we are not doing like we are just focusing or we are just giving a priority to the experienced people. Freshers equally are important to us, and for us the entire community is very important. Everyone should get the job, everyone should be able to earn and make their family happy, right? So there is a requirement for freshers, Android developer, Python developer, quality assurance. All openings are there. So number of openings are two for all of them. And the website is given, the email address, the contact details are given, so you can approach them. Then there's a requirement for Upland company, and they are looking for QA analyst one. And this is a very good company. Upland company is a very good company, and you can apply here. And this is the email address sgr@uplandsoftware.com. They are looking for the experience of 1 to 4 years, and they need somebody who has experience in web-based applications, manual testing, CRM integration testing, Agile Scrum. Again, there's a remote job in India. Notice period is less than 30 days. Then there's a requirement for QA engineer, AI engineer, HR intern, marketing intern, QA engineer 2 plus years, and the email address they have given hr@virtuoviz.com, and you can also visit their website. They have also got the opening for Salesforce developer as well. Then this is again a remote job in which they are looking for a senior QA engineer, somebody who can join immediately, has got experience in manual and automation testing, has got SaaS startup experience. Tech stack required is Playwright, Cypress, PostgreSQL, AWS. So you can apply to this particular email address, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.